Hi, I'm Jessica Vander Leahy and welcome to Mecca Beauty's Beauty Unboxed. I am going to be creating a glowy bronzy look for you today that's perfect for the warmer months, and I'm going to be using some products that are available at Mecca. Some of these are my makeup box favorite and they're products that I've used time and time again, and others are things that I haven't really played with too much before. First things first, when I wake up in the morning, I obviously don't have any makeup on, but I do have to wash my face because I wake up quite greasy. I'm going to be using the Mecca Essentials reusable cleansing face pads. These I have used before and I really like them. We're going to be using the Kit Compatibility Cleanser, and we use a pea-sized amount on a dry face. You can really smell all of those fruity elements. Now I'm going to use the Mecca pad. I'm just going to sweep it across my face. Get rid of all of that dead skin as well. This is reusable, so we can just put it in the wash and use it time and time again. Once we've cleansed, of course, it's time to moisturize, and we're going to be using one of my favorites, which is Dr. Barbara Sturm, her Face Cream Rich. Look at this. It's just delicious. I love moisturizer, so I'm quite generous with my moisturizer. I just really make sure I take it all the way down the neck as well. It's not scented, it's just not wasting any time doing its job. If I know I'm going to be doing a makeup look, I really try and get my moisturizer in, soaked in, massaged into my face, because I feel like that just helps your skin not be so thirsty and want to soak all the oil and hydration out of your makeup and sort of eat your makeup. Next up, we have the Mecca Cosmetica To Save Face 50 Plus Brightening Sun Serum. Of course, sunscreen is an important part of any skincare routine and sun protection. You need to apply it liberally and make sure that you're applying it accurately. This one comes with a cute little tincture. It's not greasy, and when you put it on, it doesn't create that white slick. Wow, that's really soaking in. Time for base, and we're going to use the RMS Beauty Master Radiance Base. Comes with a cute little tool as well. I am going to use the Mecca Max brushes today. I love a base, especially if it's radiant and luminous, like this one, because it means that I won't really apply as much foundation. I'm going to be using my Mecca Max Complexion Buffing Brush. Can you see that? How luminous that is? I mean, I could just leave my skin like that, and I do sometimes. I just wear the base with a bit of blush, but we're going to build. Foundation is the Kosas Revealer. I'm going to be using the Medium Deep Neutral, and this one is Olive 360. In summer, what I tend to do is I have a foundation that's a little bit darker than what my face actually is. My skin tends to be that little bit lighter on my face, and I just want to match it to my body. And now we're going to go in with the Rose Ink Concealer. So thick. We're going to use the Juno & Co. Microfiber Sponge. And a little bit of pigmentation on the forehead, which is melasma, which just comes up in the heat, and so that's just going to happen. My skin's clear, so covering it up isn't a problem. Now we're evenly concealed and blended, and we're going to go in with this Westman Atelier Gorgeous Face Contour Stick. Really chic packaging. This is Truffle. Itty bitty forehead, so I don't want to go too crazy with the forehead contouring. It's still showing again, my skin is coming through and it's not looking like I have too much makeup on. Blush time, and I have 3 different shades from Westman Atelier. That one's really nice and light, very pink. That one's got a little bit more oomph. Jet is going to be a favorite of mine, I can tell. I'm just going to add a touch on the nose and a touch on the chin because remember, we're doing a bronzy makeup look. Just lifts the face. MVP of brows is Anastasia Beverly Hills. She's got such beautiful packaging all the time. Marianne. This Morphe brow tool. It's got 2 separate ends. Mecca has very kindly sent me a whole load of their mini mix eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to open them all up for you. Sunset Squash, Smoke and Mirrors, Total Breeze, After Party. Love this. That's nice. Live Lavish. And then Disco Friends. Ooh. Oh, look at those olives. Stunning. That's so generous. We're gonna go with Total Breeze. Glowy, bronzy, that's what we're after. For a soft shadow, I'm gonna use this one here. Maybe a little bit of that one there. I'm gonna go in with some gold down the bottom too. And we love a 2-for-1, so we're gonna use a little bit of the gold. Give a little shape on that lip. Time for powder with my favorite Laura Mercier. This is the loose setting powder in honey. Put it over the face. There we go. I hardly ever curl my lashes because I have super curly eyelashes as is. But I'm gonna do it for you today. Lily Lashes. I'll do it off camera, and I'll also be using the Kevyn Aucoin Volume Mascara. I love this. I love the way it sits on my lashes. It's not clumpy, it's not too thick. Also, it really cleans the brush before it comes out, so it's not too much product coming out on your lashes. Top and bottom lash. I'm going to use the same blush I used on my face to tie in my lip. Time to get into an outfit that's worthy of this glowy bronzy look. Last but not least, a little Floral Street Electric Rhubarb scent. Very fragrant and gentle. Well, there you have it, a glowy bronzy beauty look by Mecca. Please like and subscribe the Mecca Beauty channel, and remember, everything you saw on this video today you can buy in store or online.